Here we go with LinkedIn. LNKD. Once again, this thing has been on fire. It's been one of the best ones out here compared to the Facebooks and all the other ones, Zynga and everything else. This has been the only one that's delivered was LinkedIn, and we got a massive run right here in this after hours. You can see this thing hit 122 and we're at 137 and running higher. You could get the market maker alert immediately on the buy when that news hits on the earnings. You just hit buy and bam, look at that baby run up toward those highs. I will read a little bit about the report just so people see. They expect 1.4 to 1.44 billion versus 1.44 billion. That's for 2013. Q1 revs were 305 to 310 million versus 301, so they're slightly up above there. Their EBITDA metrics was 78.6 million versus guidance of 58 to 60 million. Okay, so it's at a 52-week high. And the preliminary number, that first one to get that pop right off there. So they dropped it to 122, and then just that's how these after hours earnings work. That's how you trade these, and they're wonderful during the earnings season. You get these, you get them to the downside, and you get them to the upside. So basically, I would just like to say it was 35 cents versus 19. That's what it was. And estimates were only for 19 cents, so they blew out the prelim on that side. Okay, and the revs are 303.6 million versus the 279.60 capital IQ consensus revs. And this thing is just going to burn to all-time highs right here on LinkedIn. It hasn't disappointed. It's done this the last few quarters. It's one of the only social networking sites that went public that has proven to be the number one. They're going to get some pullback. This is after hours earnings. Another thing that I would like to tell you, and once again, it comes from our alerts. That's where it comes from. And we would just like to let you know that all you have to do is click on the SMF Stock Exchange tab, bam, or the Options Exchange. We have the alerts. Not only that, go up to trading, open an account page, bam, and we will give you money to trade with. You won't have the pattern day trading rule. We'll give you 6 to 1. We'll give you 10 to 1, and we'll give you as high as 15 to 1. We will give you the trading capital, the platform, everything you need. No more pattern day trading rule, no more handicap. Order execution routing will give you the capabilities of trading in after hours and getting great moves such as LinkedIn blowout quarter.